Hey, Valentino. Hey, Valentino. Look how cute you look. Look how cute you look. Hey, hi. Say, when I came in, I didn't have any hair.
What happened to her?
He's from the shelter. He was a stray. Look how cute you look. You're a... He's come a long way.
He's so happy. Well, how was he before? Was he
Always huddled up and...
See, right now, have you ever met Sunshine?
I have not met Sunshine.
She's very scared. Like, she gets in...
Is she a rescue dog too?
Yeah, and she just curls her. I want her to become that dog right there.
This one was huddled up in the corner. And
You wouldn't talk to anyone?
no, it was just this one. Yeah, see, my name's Valentino. Look at my tail. Look at my tail.
Is that me?
What's that? I do. I do. She looks tons better. Yes. He is cute. I knew you were going to be cute. Yes, I did. Look up. Look up. Can you look up? Can you hold this just for a second? Let me see if I can get her to... Here we go. Can you look at me? Come here, Valentino.
Is that me?
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Hi, you. Hi, cutie. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. Oh, okay. Come over here, buddy. Come over here.